Today's gonna be our first day grazing. We were gonna wait till next week. Pasture's about ready, so we're gonna let them out here for a few hours. It's supposed to rain this afternoon, so figured why not let them out here for a couple hours. They're all just staying by the gate ready to go out. They know something's up. I've been back here getting the gates ready to go and checking some fences, making sure it's hot. So stay tuned. See, I told you they were just waiting at the gate. Fence is hot. Here we go. They're gonna go crazy. It's the first time out. You ready? Get ran over here. Don't break anything, girls. Be back in 2 hours. There's always a few stragglers, underachievers. How's it taste, girls? Tastes pretty good. You always got to keep a close eye on them for the first couple minutes because they run all over at first. They're not used to the hot wire right away. Just mowing it down. So we got to keep a close eye on them today because they're not used to the hot wire fence right now. It's kind of similar to like being in your last day of school. You just don't care. You're kind of carefree, running all over the place. A lot of energy. That's what I'd compare it to. A few stragglers here. Alright, so that's all I got for you today here. We'll be bringing them back in a couple hours, hopefully before it rains. So take care, have a great day, guys. Here you can see I took the drone out after chores one night. They're in a different pasture than they were previously in this video. They're right next to it because it's a couple nights later. The first video was April 28th. This one was May 3rd after chores one night. Usually we put a temporary grazing wire up behind them and we keep moving it back every day to give them a little more break. And that way they're not overgrazing the pastures. And once they finish one pasture, then we let that pasture regrow for probably about a month. And then they come back and hit it again. See, most of the cows are maintaining their social distance out here. So that's a plus. That's going to do it for this video, folks. Take care and have a great day, and be sure to check back for more in the future. Thanks for watching, guys.